What's up, everybody? Welcome to the channel, Hussein Riz Trader. Alright, HRT here. I'm here as always for what? To look at the pre-market, mark the supply and demand based on where the wicks are at. Right? These wicks right here. These wicks right here. Mark them up. Market opens. I execute my trade. I use the 10 minute and the 30 minutes. But while I'm trading, executing the trades, I focus on the 10 minutes. Alright, here we go. With that all said, let us begin here. Right now, I'm just marking the pre-market low. That's what I'm doing right now, marking the pre-market low. Today I started a little bit late, which is fine because that was my plan today. The reason why is that today I'm only gonna trade SPY. So, what's up, Mikey? Appreciate you for joining today. Welcome, welcome, welcome. All right, here we go. All right, cool. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and mark this high over here as well. This is a sudden pickup in the market, by the way. So we need to figure out there's a news that did this. So I went ahead and took the time to do that. And here's what the news says. Dow Jones future rally 500 points on weak jobs report. Apple surges on buyback. So we should probably trade QQQ then, huh? But yeah, Dow Jones future and other major stocks indices extended their rallies in pre-market action Friday after the Labor Department's weaker than expected April job report. Among the winners was Apple. All right, cool. So there's a sudden rally with most of the stocks all rallying. Cool. It's good to know. So here we go. So we're going ahead and marked over here as the low and the high. And there is a wick right here, so we can certainly mark here. I don't like how this wick did not reach all the way to the, the low, but this is where it got picked up the second time, I guess you could say. So we'll definitely trade right here. We'll definitely trade right there. So here we go. All right, do we see anything else? We do see this right here, so I'll mark that one too. Why not? Ideally, I like to focus on the pre-market. Anything outside of it, I like to at least see, more supports. You know what I'm saying? So let's take a look at that wick. Does it have any more support here? Does this thing extend to other wicks? Okay, this is a good one, by the way. We should probably extend this one out because this one was a high. So the price will likely may return here, to be honest, and then bounce off from here. This is a major break right here. Look at this. Price rallied like crazy with the FOMC, right? And then just reversed. And now it took a huge news to break that out. So what do you think is going to happen when it comes back to that level? It gets confirmed that it's gonna now things has now flipped from sellers to buyers. So yep. So I think this is a weak one. This is just this line right here. It's kind of weak, but I'll just keep it. I'll just keep that in mind. This is not a strong one, of course, but this is a strong one. So here we go. All right, let's go to the 30-minute real quick just to gauge that. See what these levels even look like. All right, here we go. Mike, I hope you got a chance to watch the yesterday's live, or after it was recorded. And even though I was live, I hope you got a chance to watch that video and just kind of gauge, what was the difference, right? All right, so that told us what? Pending news. It's a bit choppy for our strategy, extremely choppy. Yesterday we experienced some level of chop, but it was certainly not like with the news, embedded, and that was nice. But I still followed my rule, though. Nothing changed. All right, here we go. And end of the day with our goal, the only day that made a difference was the day that we were trading with the news. All right, cool. That's a lesson that we must pay for us to learn, and that's why you have to show up every day to the market. That's the only way you learn. You don't learn it by what's it called, by taking these courses and taking these these guys that does calls and notification of calls and puts or whatever. If you're serious about it, that is. If you're not serious about it, it's fine. You can just have luck on your side here and there. That's fine. All right, here we go. This blue line, I'm gonna get rid of it here. We're only trading SPY today, so I'm just kind of taking it easy, as you can see here. So I'm not really seeing much. If it goes outside of this line, where can we trade, right? where is a good spot to trade if it goes outside of this? So let me just go ahead and mark where it's currently at right now, just so I know. I have a reference point. I'll go ahead and extend it to the left and put like a crazy color so that I know that's that color. Let's just call it a blue. All right, here we go. Okay, this is where currently the stock is the price reversed from. So let's see that reference point, see what's up. So the stock has once in a while ago came to it and then bounced off it. So this is definitely a look at that. Look at that. Ain't that interesting? And this is that dip as low as so it's almost like a zone, isn't it? So I'll see if it has more support. Let us keep going. Yeah, some level of support, but ultimately it still kind of breaks out of it here and there. Nothing too special, but I can see why that spot is a little bit of something, something. Let's keep going all the way. Okay, it's all the way up there. So we have it up here, so. Very, very strange. I do like right here, but then look right here too, you know, it kind of extended out, so. You know what, that's it. We're gonna just leave it at that. What I do want to do is, I'm gonna go ahead and mark this one here. This just as a reference point that if you were to go outside of in dips, I'm gonna allow that little dip to happen because of this. Just gonna do that and extend this out. Right. Okay. All right, here we go. Let us go back to our 10-minute. Market's gonna open in the next 3 minutes. So here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. So there's that zone right here. So we made done. So that's regular color. It's normal color. All right, cool. Well, that's not. Okay. All right. So this is what's up. This is what's up. This is a really good one. This is a really good one right here, and this is a really good one. But anything in between is just like, you know what I mean? This right here, this little reversal that I did, it got confirmed again, by the way, because the body happened to close right above it. It's not a wick, but rather the body closed above it. So there's some level of respect there, but it's not, you know, to the level of the strength that we want. But I do recognize why the body closed here, because it's a reversal. So there was battle there. Very nice. Or it went as low as that. As low. Okay. Open here, I should say, not closed. All right, cool. All right, we're ready. We are ready. 2 minutes into the market. Very soon it's gonna open. I'm gonna check one more time on the 30 minutes. Just one more time. So we don't have any opportunities for either. So the only trade we're gonna be taking when the market opens, if it dips all the way down here, we'll take a trade. If it goes outside of this line, we'll take a trade on the call side. On the call side, that's it. So now as the market opens, goes to as the first time it's making an attempt, should we take that trade? Little hard, we're still gonna take it, yes, but we gotta be cautious because remember, this push-up got fueled by that news. So sometimes the news can be, you know what I mean, can have the rally in the pre-market, but then once the market open, it can just get nullified. You can just be like whoop, and then later on it recoups. You know, so there could be a potential profit taken, but the question is, which one will be stronger, the profit taking or more fuel? A fear of missing out. This news just happened in the pre-market. The market reacted to this. Ooh, the market's open now. I'm gonna get in. And you hope that's gonna go up. So, and so you gotta have a rule system in place, or else you're just gonna be, you know, following your emotions and hoping for luck. You know what I mean? And then you know you can call yourself a good trader because of that. All right, here we go. Here we go. Okay, today we're only gonna focus on SPY. That's it. Market's pushing up right now to this level. Is it gonna escape out? That's the question. Oh, damn. I need to get a new mouse here. It's delaying. All right, here we go. Be curious how SPY trades here. Yeah, this mouse is a little delayed. All right, here we go. Market's gonna open. 5, 4, 3, 2. Let's go. Okay, market's gonna. Is it gonna reject? Is it gonna push up? Is it gonna? What's it gonna do? Oh, I missed the put. I missed the put. Ooh, ooh. I'll get one in. This little pop that I did, I was trying to place the put right there just to see that reaction. I got in one though. See what happens. See if we're gonna move outside of it. If we do, that's fine. We're gonna just switch. That's just what that means. But I want to just, here we go. We're really pushing out and making an attempt to push out of it. Are we gonna push out of it? Are we gonna dump? If we go in, I'm just gonna get out. Okay, we got in. Ideally, you want to be placing the put right here. So I just took one out just because I want to trade the put right here on the top. I missed this one right here though. Remember, this is just a little risky one because I do want to see it, because this is a fueled by news, so it's likely gonna break outside of it. But I'm placing the put follow model because it's below it. It's just coming to retest it. Because the wick is so green right now, it's all the price above it. You gotta be careful having your puts on there. Don't do that. I'll be more cautious here with this put. And I'm gonna wait for it to go all the way up, up. Oh, all right, gotta be careful with that. Did sold it though, because I know that I didn't get in on that spot. Okay, I get in again. Ideally, I want to get in right here though. I don't know why I'm getting on puts. Need to be careful. Okay, okay, okay. This is a call then. Looks like he wants to break out of it. I'm gonna be patient here. I'm gonna be patient. If he wants to break out of it, that's fine. He ultimately did not break it, and I already sold it. Damn. Damn, damn, damn. That's fine. This was a put, I knew it, but yeah, 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 yeah. Oh wow. Today's Friday, huh? So the zero contract today, they're very moving pretty sweet. So we missed our opportunity to hold that put. We missed our opportunity to hold that put, and that's fine. Boy got a little phased. Beautiful put right here. We could have just ended the day basically, based on how our put contract was moving. This would have been basically done $100 just right here. Held it all the way here to all the way here. Sold my first one. Maybe sell the second one on the view up retest. Would have been done for the day. You know. But I wasn't sure why I was so phased though. Oh yeah, the reason why is I decided to place the put right here instead of here. Had I placed the put at this high top right here, as close to even in the thingy, then that would have been giving me a little bit some level of, relaxation. That, it has to first cross here. But because I bought it here, then I have to understand that I'm risking for potentially to go up here. And then I might have to consider, and then, so for that reason, it's why, so I don't plan on doing that. Let's just go ahead and get rid of this one, actually, not think about it. Okay, we missed our opportunity for that beautiful put. Just like that. Just like that. We really did. All right, cool. So the price has been kind of holding up here. So we're going to see if we can potentially place a call right here. After this rally here, do you think it's going to... Here's a tap to the view up right now for a potential call, but I want to see if it's going to come here. Get in one call here. I got it on a late call here on the VWAP because now then I have to kind of wait until the price gets here. So ideally you want to buy here, this line first. But today I'm just being a little bit urgent early here. So I went ahead and got on my second one, which is my regular second one, where I actually ultimately should have been my first. Your first one should have been here, this dip, not this first one here. So we're going to see if we're going to get this push up here after this hold up. So here we go. We're seeing some level of pressure on the upside here. Is this news going to get cleared and the price is going to crack here? If it does, juicy, juicy for a put. But as of right now, this right here is still a call. Okay. Okay, buyers are pushing it outside the VWAP. Are they going to hold it? Because sellers are quite strong. They literally deleted these buyers here. That's essentially what's going on right now. Is the price going to hold above here, or is it going to crack? Here we go. They've been closing red, but yet there's still been a fight on the buyer side. Buyers ultimately winning. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Price is now retracing. Sellers capture the VWAP. It's pushing it down. Are sellers gonna crack that level? That's the question. That's the question. I'm tempted to get in one more here as it's so tight to our line. All right, here we go. Is it gonna break our line now? And it's breaking our line, so we're gonna be careful. Ready for this? If he breaks that line, here we go. It's pushing it. Yeah, sellers are quite strong here. Literally trying to clear those buyers. But buyers are also pushing it with, you can see their reaction. There's buying going on. The wick's moving up, but yet buyers pushing it down. Sorry, sellers pushing it down. So we need to be careful here. A crack occurred, and I'm going to get one, two out here, and then another one out. So now it's a put side here. We got to be now on the put side. Okay, we got another two puts. Any push up, I'm going to add my puts, of course, into that line. So now the sellers got cleared, basically. Oh, buyers got cleared. Why am I keep getting my thing around? So on the put side, here we're going to add one more. It's getting pushed up. Oh, it's getting pushed up. Oh, wow, it got pushed up. It got really pushed up. Okay, got pushed up. So here we go. Is it going to go back down? Oh, wow. Okay, more buyers stepped in right there all of a sudden. Are they going to hold it this time? A buyer's going to hold it this time, or they're going to lose it again. And that's fine if they do. But they're showing some strength right now. Ooh, they're losing it. They are losing it, and they're losing it. Yeah, they really did lost it. Yeah, they're losing it, yeah. Oh, they regained it, so I gotta be careful. I see who's winning. Wow, they pushed it all the way up. They pushed it all the way up. Again, they're getting pushed right back down. Getting pushed right back down. Oh, I just oversized. Okay. The buyer's gonna push this all the way up. Oof, they are losing now. Yeah, there seems to be losing. And they pushed it down. Oof. They pushed it down. They pushed it down. They pushed it down. Wow. Yep, sellers ultimately won. And I'm adding so late. Holy shit, I'm adding so late. So you guys noticed that. Needs to crack here. I'm on the put side now, so here we go. Our buyer's gonna now push it right back up to that level. I'll be a bit surprised if they do. Now the battle is underneath that line, so there seems to be a greater weakness from the buyer side now. And I'm not oversizing. Damn, I gotta be careful here. I'm breaking my rules. Oh, wow. Yep, I'm just selling out because they went outside of that line. Okay, I'm not trading very well today. Hmm. So buyers are holding up this time. Are they gonna push it up? There seems to be a tap. Now the buyers are really getting some strength. Sellers are still trying to. Wow, So buyers managed to push the price right back up, right back up. We're on 4 contracts right now. Buyers are now looking to take over the VWAP, but sellers are still trying to clear that line again. Here we go. This is the, I don't know, the 6th time where buyers brought the price right back up. Ooh, it closed red. It closed red. All right, here we go. Still a buy, of course, despite being closing red, because the price got pushed up above it. So still a buy. Still a buy. Beautiful uptick right now. We're on the buying side at least. Here we go. Here we go. Beautiful uptick here. Let's get one out. Okay, let's get one more out. I need to solve that little issue here, little problem that we have with the whole going back and forth thing, you know? Let me refresh this. Oh, holy shit. Yeah, I do need to solve that issue. Yeah, glitch here. Because we're not doing too well with that back and forth that we did. So I need to fix that in the future. There's a way to fix it to avoid the back and forth. I need to see the lower time frame. All right, cool. I have an idea with that. That's something I have to do some testing on. Okay, so this back and forth ultimately, you know, created this major L for us. So there's a little bit of a tweaking that I need to do with my strategy to avoid this level of back and forth, you know, because on a 0 DTE, that back and forth is not ideal. Beautiful, beautiful uptick. It ultimately did create that. So I have an idea. There is a way to fix this to avoid this back and forth. You know what I mean? I will need to fix that tweak, and after that, I'll be set. That's what I must do. I did sell too early, of course, because I realized that my the back and forth kind of tripped me up, so I needed just to sell to recover. But what that does is then is, you know, you miss out on your trade. So there we go. There we go. So this back and forth that we're doing is something that needs to be fixed. That needs to be tweaked because this strategy works very well. But the whole dip thingy and then coming back to it, that's my strongest weakness when the market does that. Okay. And it's not the market's fault. It's just I have to now look at, so this is basically a feedback. Remember, every loss is a feedback the market's telling you. So that means I need to find a way to correct that because there's no reason for me to have, you know, look at this beautiful. I am right on the decision, what I can tell. But you know, at what point is the decision clear? That's the hard part. And for me, there's two options. A, I can just be more patient and wait, which that's the risk of you miss out because the decision is already made. You've already missed out, right? Or B, I can get in right away and just switch until the decision is made. But then you run the risk of those switches creating, you know, what's it called? Negatives, right? So that is the only thing that I must tweak. That's it. So this has been enough, you know, feedback to the markets telling me I need to fix that. And that's what we're going to do. I'm going to look at the 2 minute. If I have the 10 minute on top and I see the 2 minute, that will probably tell me something. So that's something I'm curious in doing going forward. Having the 10 minute on top, that'd be my main thing to trade. But then looking at the 2 minutes to determine if that thing is being broken or not. You know, that's something I think that will solve my issue with the whole. What do you guys think about that? Any feedbacks? Any feedbacks? What are your thoughts, Mikey? And all those other two that are also watching. What are your feedbacks on that? Because we can't be having this kind of L as a result of those switch ups. You know what I'm saying? As a result of those switch ups, we cannot be having that kind of, you know, the level of discrepancy with the L's. You know, maybe sure $5, yeah, I'm willing to pay for that. That's fine. But once we're right, we're able to recoup that and also make money. That's fine. But then if we're doing that and yet we lose a tremendous amount, it's like, whoa, you know. So that's something that I must tweak and I must change, and I will figure out a solution for that. right? We will figure out a solution for that. So, okay, let me into this real quick. Right now the price is pushing up to this level, so that we will be trading a put there once we get there. But anyway, so let me see here. I got the 5 minute, the 10 minute, so I can change the 5 minute to like a 3 minute here. That's a great question. And I'll explain that real quick. Oh, we got a really nice, beautiful push up to this level. Are we gonna trade the put here? Let me just because we did reverse out from here, right? We dipped down. You know, going against us after this level of push up here is gonna be quite dangerous. So let me at least get one put in as it hits right here. Rather not, although I could do it right here because this is where it reversed. Right now it's probably gonna be some profit taking gonna clear. The price might go outside of here. I think it might do that. We'll see what happens here. This would be the put you would place here, but then you would have to risk here. Ooh, the beautiful put here, push down. Okay. All right. I think, well, we missed that opportunity here. But again, I would have preferred it right here though instead of here. But I also knew that having the put here probably going to be juicy, some level of profit taken for sure. Because look at this, right? Seller stepped in here and pushed it all the way down. So what do you think is going to happen when the price comes back? At least there'll be some level of sellers that's going to get out. Because buyers have really gained strength, you know? That reaction. All right, here we go. Is it gonna go here? It's kind of gonna probably gonna blast right through there. So let me just get one put. Oh, I already missed the put. It's gonna go blast right through there. By the way, just be careful. Oh, I did a call. Oops. Even though I probably made money in that call. All right, here we go. Now it's cracked it. Here we go. I didn't place my put, by the way, just because the level of push that it was doing. So it's gonna be a call once it cracks here. But right now it's how many minutes? Okay, we got about 4 minutes or so. If we cracked it, we're gonna push back down. We cracked it. Is the price gonna move outside of it? Because it got heavy buyers here. Heavy amount of buyers, so nice. Yeah, price likely gonna crack above it. So are we gonna miss this put? If it goes right back down, just follow your strategy. You place the put here, but of course very tight put because you are going against this. It's gonna go woo. Yeah, so be cautious with puts until you start to see wicks pushing down. You'd start seeing wicks pushing it down to place a put. Place one put, a pretty late one too. Now these wicks gonna get cleared. The price gonna go push right back up. The wick's gonna get cleared. I'm only adding 1 to 2 puts. That's it. Especially at the highs. Here we go, because it's gonna go woof. I don't even know what that actually means. Woof. Let me get one more. Here we go. Are we gonna crack this? This right here. All right, here we go. We're probably gonna crack it. Or we're gonna reverse from here. What's gonna happen? It's gonna likely gonna crack it based on how the price is so much like fighting right on the top of it. It's probably gonna go right through it and then just explode right through it. So that's why I'm being cautious. So right now it's going back in. Our seller's gonna get cleared. And then be careful. Our seller's gonna push it back down. What's gonna happen? Come on. Okay, so more sellers pushing it down now. Here we go. Our buyer's gonna now go back up again. The put side is not moving as strong. Do you guys notice that? The put side is not moving strong. So that means there's a lot of calls going on here. There's something's betted. So I'm gonna be careful. And then it'll be out. Oh, I guess I didn't need to get the other one out. Oops, I just got phased. Yeah, I did not need it to get the other one out. My bad. But that's fine. Shoot. It's fine because it looks like he just wants to break out of it anyway. I've already sold out. If this thing kind of goes push right back down, I'm gonna like be really mad. But I'll be really shocked if he actually does that because based on how the puts is moving, how much like it's barely moving. Where the calls like one little move up, it's like I'm already up by a lot. So there's oh, we opened right up here. Wow, this is gonna really gonna move up. Yeah, I'm no longer gonna be placing a put. But of course, you put a calls based on what if the line gets breaking. For as long as this is not broken, you can still maintain your puts. Yes, the things in which that are against you has certainly increased, right? Keep that in mind. But anything, as long as it's not broken, you maintain the put. Unfortunately, I got out after that second one, but that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. So I think right now we need to focus on greater solution here to the whole back and forth thing. Because once we solve that, we're not going to be seeing this level of discrepancy with our changes. Like there's no way, and this is unacceptable. So this is something that the market is telling us we must fix, and we will. And that's my plan today. So let me look at the 2-minute. Oops, that's the 5-minute. I really did regret, not having my put here, just in case it doesn't clear, which looks like it would have been a beautiful put so far. We missed that one, right? We missed that put. We had it, but we missed it. It's fine. And that's the level you have to just have, So I just got scared by all these factors. But remember, you're trading wicks. If you're trading wicks, that means you're fine. The level is respected until it's broken. It's not easy to break a wick. But once the break of a wick happens, it's like tremendous move up. But there's a lot of factors, of course, on your side to trace a put here. So anyway, let us try to solve that situation. At this point, I'm not even interested in trading at this point, bro. I'm actually extremely not even interested in trading because I understand that, yeah, I'm gonna make money in these trades, whatever. But then every time I face that discrepancy, then those changes, then I'm gonna going back to, the loss. So we have to fix that. So here we go, here we go, here we go. The reason why I'm saying a lower time frame, because you can tell the lower time frame if there's a wick happening in the lower time frame. So if we can gauge that and look at that, that can tell us whether the 10 minutes gonna be moving up or not. We can have determined when we're gonna get in or not. And you said, is it gonna be more erratic? Yeah, it's gonna be more erratic. But remember that we're not trading the 2-minute, so we're gonna be less erratic. So this is a nice, beautiful push up here. That the sellers that were here that managed to push the price all the way back down, buyers bought this up. So now they're probably gonna get clear. So we're gonna see what happens here. This is gonna be crazy run up once the price runs outside of here. So here we go, here we go, here we go. All right, cool. And yeah, and the call side is moving way more beautifully. Imagine we had that call all the way here, bro. But anyway, so let us do something here. Let us do something here. Let us learn something here. Let us see what the 2-minute can give us. Any information. If that works for us, bro, if I solve this little issue, game over. Game over. All I have to do is then scale up slowly. You know what I mean? Go from, up to 3 contracts to 6 contracts. From 6 contracts to 9 contracts. Like, move up, then 12 contracts. I'm telling you, bro. Then I'm going to into the whole, like, $500 a day, $1,000 a day range. Like, I can scale it up from there. But I can't do any scaling until I solve this. Like, I really cannot do that until I solve this, this thingy. All right, here we go, here we go, here we go. Yeah, price officially moved up. Now can we get it on the call? Yeah. But it kind of went all the way outside of it. So at this point, buying a call right here will be a little bit harsh. I'd rather have a little bit one push down, and then I'm gonna buy it in the call here. Let's get in at least one call here while it's tight to this level. So let's have a one call up to here, up to this line here. If he breaks this line, we're just gonna call it a day, the body here while we search up this 2-minute. Or we search up a solution for this switch up. Okay. All right, here we go, here we go, here we go. Here we go. We're gonna leave that one call in place. Okay, here we go. Let's go to the 2-minute here just to kind of see. Let's see the 2 minute. Maybe the 1 minute too, because we just need to see one that's really, but I think 2 minute it's just perfect. Okay, why is it not switched yet? All right, here we go. This is the 2 minute here. Okay, okay. Is this SPY? Damn, it looks so different on the 2 minute. So what we're seeing right now, the 2 minute, as you can see, it opened above it. So that tells you something. That tells us likely wants to move up further. So that's what that tells us. So here we go, here we go, here we go. So this is where the struggle that was going on here, right? So this 2 minute. So then here we go. Let me see here. Okay. This is that struggle that we're experiencing on the 10 minute because we thought it's going down because he went down, right? Here's the 2 minute. The 2 minute closed below the line here, right? And opened below it. So then we understood it's going to be a put, right? But yet the 2 minute then opened up above here. So when the 2 minute closed green here, then at that point we could have got in on the call side. So what are the odds that, that we would have seen that before, right? That's something I just want to gauge a bit as time goes. Okay, so right now there are two minutes that are closed above the line, by the way. So there's still more fuel that price wants to move up even further. That's what the shorter time frame is telling us right now. Okay. Can even go to the 1 minute too, just to kind of see it as well. All right, here we go. So now the price is breaking outside of this wick rejection on the 2 minute. Is it okay? It broke outside of it. Okay, it's breaking outside of it. We're up 8% here. Okay. Okay, because as soon as you see it go down, you'll want to sell when it still has the chance to go back up. That is true. And that's the error that I'm doing. So that's how I'm trying to find a solution for this, essentially. Because having this solved is be the greatest thing we can do here to ensure that consistency here. So the strategy works. We just need to tweak this out. So here we go. Because as soon as you see it go down, you'll want to sell when it still has the chance to go back up. I agree with you, and that's kind of what we're trying to solve to avoid that. You know what I mean, Mikey? So that's the. So right now on the 2 minute, there are wicks on the 2 minutes, like pushing the price back down, but yet it's still holding above this level, so it can still continue to hold. We're seeing a wick on the 2 minute push down, which also we are seeing it on the 10 minute, of course, but the 10 minute is not. You don't see a larger wick on the 10 minute. So here we go. Okay, we have 2 more minutes here for this candle to close. So far, every 2 minutes has just been green, 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 green. That's also in information. Hmm. Okay, how can I solve that? 2 minute is not showing much of information because even if I traded this one with the 2 minute, the very fact that this one closed red, could that have told me place a put right now? But then when had I done that, had I done this red closer here, and then the price were to retest here again, when the price is right here on the 2 minute, then I would have placed a put. That would have had this thing going against me, and then ultimately still rejecting. But then the 2 minute view up's right here. It's like, damn. Very, very interesting. There's gotta be a way to solve this. There really is. Because at this point, I'm no longer don't want to trade at all until I solve this. Because I can have my consistency, but then I can have this consistency, right? But then then I'm still gonna face that problem where one day, there's gonna be some level of like, you know what I mean? Some level of indecision. And so that indecision will then clear my previous profits. Like, what the hell? So this needs to be solved. I know I keep repeating that. Damn. Okay, so the 2-minute is cracking right now. There's a reaction happening right now on the 2-minute. Here we go. Is 2-minute gonna crack it? What the hell is going on right now? What a pickup. Let's just get out of it. What the heck is going on? Yo, whoa, whoa, whoa. 2-minute is confusing me now. Whoa, what is this? Are we gonna place a put? Oh my goodness. Let's place one put. What the heck just changed? Why is market flipping? Oh, market flipped, guys. Yo, did the news come out? Or it just wants to just bounce out? What? Yo, do you guys see what the hell is going on? Why did the market flip like that? That's quite strange. That's very, very strange. We sold here and then we got on the put once that crack was happening. I was like, what the hell? Alright. We get in the put late then? Is that what happened? Hope we didn't get in the put late. I don't think I did. What was this? This is unusual. There has to have been a news that did this, guys. It's quite unusual to see this. Did the news just come out some... Oh, intriguing. Very, very intriguing. RIP to those who were on the call. They were thinking it's going to move up, but this reversal just happened. Now I'm going to go ahead and sell, of course, this here. That was weird. Very weird. Very, very weird. So here we go. That was intense. All right, we at least recouped some of our losses of that mistake that we did. Wow. What a crazy switch up that occurred here. Certainly something happened. Certainly something happened here. Okay, so the price reversed here. Price coming back. So this is the 2-minute. I gotta remember that. This is not no, you know. So right now the price, I need this. Okay, we got, holy shit, we got a whole lot of time for this 10-minute to close. And that's fine. So here we go. The 2-minute is pushing back up to this level here. So question, are we still gonna place that put? Another put? Wow, in a short period of time, all these 10-minute candles just got cleared just by this push down. Very, very interesting. I'm on the put side now. This put side looks so juicy. I want to see the price push up though. So if I can get in on more put. What a rejection here. So here we go. I'm gonna see if the price is gonna go below here. So now this is the test that we're gonna do. We're gonna let's focus on this line and see how the 2-minute looks like. So to avoid the whole switch up here. So here we go. Right now the 2-minute is showing a candle push down. Huge candle push down, but it has not cracked here yet on the 2-minute. So here's what the 10-minute looks like. So let's try to solve this problem. This is an opportunity here to see what it actually looks like. When we can get it on the put or not, you know? So here we go. So the 2-minute showing a greater level of, wick on the top. So huge pressure of the selling down push on the 2-minute. That's what that's telling us. Got it. Still holding this level. Got it. Okay. There's a little wick on the bottom of the 2-minute here. That means buyers trying to push it up. Okay, got it. Let me see the crack happens. Is the little discrepancy happens the 2-minute too? Here we go. Okay. Oh my goodness. This is a huge. All right, here we go. All right. Come on. Price pushing up to the VWAP again with this kind of candles. Doesn't look good for a call. But we'll see what happens here. There's still a lot of buyers here, of course, for sellers to clear. But this is definitely quite strange. This sudden turnaround like that. It's unusual. So, all right, here we go. So now there's a wick right here. So there's a wick happen on the 2-minute VWAP. I repeat, a wick is occurring on 2-minute VWAP, and now it's gonna crack here. So it's cracked it. So are we able to place this put right now? Let me just get into one, right? I'm only focused on the 2-minute now. Now the 10-minute also cracked it. The 10-minute also cracked it. There's no push up yet. There's literally no push up yet. We're only in on one put right now. There's no push up on the 2-minute yet on this line. Okay, there's a little push up happening right now. So let's not look at the 10-minute. Okay, there's no push up outside of it. Okay, we got really tight ones. I can get in one more put here. Okay, is it gonna go outside of it now? That's the question. And when do we gonna accept that's gonna reverse up? That's what we're trying to figure out. We need to solve that problem so we can avoid the switch up. And now the 2-minute is pushing up. The 2 minutes push officially is above it. The 2 minutes officially above it. Now do we switch right now? Okay, I do gotta be careful. The 2-minute really switched up. Really fast, by the way. Okay, yeah, we gotta respect that. Because even now the 10-minute also went back up. So I was like, damn. So which is expected though, because you're right, I forgot about this line. What the heck? Why did I not do this? Okay, so that makes sense because that would create that push up. But sellers still have to clear this wick. So we're gonna get another push down. I know this. Well, shouldn't say I know. We may not, of course. This could be the last buyer's defense to finally push it back up. It always happens towards the end. So we'll see, we'll see, we'll see. So looks like the 2 minutes no longer help because we did the same thing. We still had to do that switch. Okay. All right. All right. Time to go to the drawing board. Okay. Time to go to the drawing board here. The 2-minute closed really nicely for a reversal. This what's it called? This Uji here. The battle like right there. It's an indecision right there. So it's usually push up. Greater push up, I should say. Okay. All right. So the 2-minute was not much of a help. I should have marked this. I forgot to mark this one. This wick here. Or at least sold it right there because I understood that this is going to be a potential. This is like that's the buyer's last defense. It's this wick right here. That's buyer's last defense. So here we go. On the 2-minute, the price reversed from the VWAP. There's not reversed yet, but a greater level of buyers are there on the 2-minute VWAP here. But they are getting cleared. Buyers are clearing it up. Okay, sellers are pushing it down the 2-minute. Okay, now on the 10-minute, the price is above the VWAP. Here. Okay, wow, greater level of push down here. Right back down, right back down. Now, is this going to be the put now? Once he cracks it? We still haven't solved this issue. I gotta find a way to solve this. We have a 2-minute that just kind of cracked right below it and opened right below it. So I'm gonna get in one more here. One here. Just one. I want to add more though, because I don't want to miss any push down. But at the same time, I don't want to add too much to the point that I already, you know what I mean? Have too much heaviness. So now we're going right back down to this level. Are we gonna crack it this time? I'm on 2 contracts only. Are we gonna crack this level? Because if we do, it's gonna be a major flush. Right? So we could potentially not flush it. Can make the same mistake again. Here we go. It's going right back up. I'm gonna add one more just because it's not turning green as fast as it did before. Okay, now it finally turned green. Just took that out. I don't know why I did that. Went right back in on that. Okay, so it just quickly turned green and reversed right back down. So this could be the break here. As you guys can see, is it gonna break it? Finally it did. And I'm actually on 3 contracts, so that's actually helpful. So hopefully we cracked all the way down, but we still got a lot to do here. Are we gonna move all the way down? That'll be so juicy if we actually do. But this is such a reversal here. Okay, is this finally gonna crack below? Or are we still gonna hold up? We're still holding up that level, and that's fine. We're still holding up. Nice. Really tight here. Are we gonna add one more put? We're really heavy in our put now. Gotta be careful. If it goes reversing to green now, it's gonna be so deadly on our P&L. Oops, I gotta make sure. The price is still below it. It's not moving outside of it as fast as it did before. So there's some level of weakness here on the buyers at that level. But still though, they can still clear it because they're slowly getting that green. Okay, they really did get that green. Oof. Too many showing a wick up. Yeah. Two contracts in. Okay, we're still above it, so I gotta be careful here for puts. Yeah, our P&L taking shots right now because I'm now just doing a trial and error, trying to figure out how I can solve this switch up to avoid these switch ups. How do I do that, you know? I'm just trying to figure that out. But you know, doing a trial and error with your real money, it's more emotional, it's more risky. Of course, you're gonna be losing a lot of money, and that's when you start to say, you know, maybe I want to use um a demo account to figure it out. But that's only so much it can teach you. You know, consequence really teaches you. You know, but of course, start with demo account. That's way better than your real money here. I just don't want to miss this push. Oh, we were still on the put. Oh, damn. I forgot about it. I didn't even sell it. Imagine the price went up. So now we're cracking right back down. Cracking right back down. We're gonna finally go down. Crack it. Okay, we're cracking at some level now. Okay, we cracked it. That line at least. We still gotta take care of this one. There's a wick that occurred here on the view up on the 10-minute here. So that means, you know, sellers are pushing this down. Okay, the price is hovering, still on the 2 minute, still underneath. At this point, this is just learning for me. I don't care if I make money or not. I'm willing to pay this money to learn so I know what to do for the future. That's what I'm just literally paying a lesson here. That's all there's to it. So right now, the price on the 2 minute opened below. So there's a 2 minute, there's a 2 minute that finally opened below this line. So that's something major that did not happen just yet. Now it did. So we're gonna see what happens now. Is the reverse likely gonna happen after showing a 2 minute close red on the line and also opened underneath that line? We're 9% up. We finally cracked it. Oh my goodness, we finally cracked it. Holy shit. Let's see here. Let me just refresh our whole thing with all the thing that we've been doing. We cracked it a little bit. We're still gonna reverse here. We're still gonna reverse. Wow. Okay. Here we go. There's still more buyers here to go, to clear. The price wants to go here, looks like. What a beautiful push down. Let's get something out here. 156. It's very strange day today. Very strange day. Not really strange, really. It's actually not strange. This is just, I guess, a day in which where we really got to figure out how we can solve that issue here. So we're gonna see what happens here. Okay, and the 2 minute got a wick. It got a wick. We've also not been selling, by the way, too. So we've not been selling. Okay, we got a wick, a push up to that level now. We're gonna add more to our put. Are we gonna add more to our put? And why did I use this line? Oh yeah, there was a channel. Oh wow, a 2 minute open way below the line. So not only this 2 minute right here. So this 2 minute open below this line, and now this 2 minute open below this line. The one in the one while the market was open, the one where buyers showed where they're at. So this is gonna be a huge push down. Further push down is to go, basically. The very fact that there was some level of strength of sellers that they managed to open it below this line on the 2 minute. So the greater there's greater level of selling going on, that you know they're able to do that. That's just what that means. So take that for whatever that, you know what I mean? So so here we go. So our buyer's gonna push it outside of this. Is this gonna reverse from here? That'd be shocking. That would be shocking. Oh, why is the PN not showing anymore? I didn't refresh it, did I? Never refresh this, right? Go, I did. Okay, so the price is moving right back up. Right back up. Oops, where is it? Okay, price moving right back up. So I'm gonna add one more to our puts here at this level. I want to add one more puts here. Is the price gonna move outside of this? That'd be something I'm curious. I went ahead and added one more put here. I want to add more puts to be honest, but I gotta follow my rule though. Is the price gonna move here? Showing some level of wicks here right now. I'm gonna go ahead and add one more. It's just so tight to this level here. Anything outside of on the 2-minute here, there's some level of strength in the 2-minute where the price wants to move outside of this line. I'm just gonna start sell, of course. Okay, so the price got reversing, opened up here. So there's some level of turnaround might be happening right now, baked in. That's what this is telling me. The question is the 2-minute strong enough to go outside of here? Is it 2 minutes strong enough to go outside of here? So the 2 minutes is like a mic, we're going inside, like seeing the. Okay. Okay, so the 2-minute pushed it right back down. But I can still take these profits and stuff like that. At this point, I don't even care for profits. I just want to understand these switch ups so I can learn to find a way to know when is the best time to get in and that less likely to do a switch up. That's what I must solve. Okay, here we go. So the 2-minute is ultimately strong on the seller side that there's an issue going on that the buyers cannot pass outside of this line. But yet buyers are still holding this line here. We can clearly see their wicks. Their pressure is, just fueled. It wants to push it out. So here we go. Is the 2-minute gonna indicate that buyers are now strong to crack this on the 2-minute? Here we go. We're now at a break even. I'm gonna go ahead and add one more. I am extremely oversized. Like extremely. Here we go. Is it 2 minutes strong? 2 minutes gaining really strength right now. Is it gonna crack above it? It's moving above it. It's making a crack. It's cracking it. Here we go. Here we go. It's cracked it. I'm gonna get one out. It opened just underneath. So here we go. Is it gonna move outside? It did not move outside of it yet. Yes, I understand. It still sold it. It didn't move outside of it. But yeah, it looks like it wants to though. So we closed 2 greens. So that means there's a huge push-up going on. 2 greens here. 1, 2 on the 2 minutes. That they want to push this price up. So here we go. The price is still not cracked though. Sorry, not the price. The line is still not cracked. It's like, outside of it. It got a little bit cracked, but all right, here we go. Buyers are still here. There's still buyers here. What is gonna happen here? Price came right back down. It failed to go above here. All right, is it finally gonna crack here this time and actually go all the way down? And we'll see what happens. Okay, we got a crack on the line. So we're gonna start to recognize some selling here. Oops. We're up $100, so we're gonna at least recognize some. If I can get out today at break even, I'll just call it. At least give some health to my P&L. Kind of sucks. Okay, I'll leave these 3 alone. But damn, very, very interesting. I need to find a way to understand this. Hmm. I want to take one more out. It's because it's still getting a wick here. Oh wow, look at that. Okay. So okay, so here we go. How do I interpret this one? So the 2 minute opened up right here. We had two greens, but still nothing really huge information. But the very fact that it opened up like that again. Right now, the struggle is no longer here on the 2 minute. The struggle is now here. So the question, are we gonna crack here? This little, hassle that the buyers did to the sellers to push the price back up to this level. We had like six contract here at one point. I thought they're gonna sell it. I thought it was gonna push up, but ultimately it didn't get pushed up. It just went right back down. So very, very interesting. Very, very, very interesting. Are we gonna crack here this time? We only got two contracts in. Wow, we cracked it. We ultimately cracked it. Wow. I'm gonna get. Oh, what the heck? I got out late. Oops. Oops. That's fine. $100. All right. Man. Shit. I guess I really don't even care for the P&L because I'm just trying to figure out a way to solve that issue. There's gotta be a way. There is a way, guys, by the way. There is a way. And while also focus on the 2 minute, of course, to try to understand when a reversal is happening, when it's gonna hold below the line, all that stuff. I wasn't looking at the 10 minutes. So as you can see, the 10 minute here, we have a like straight red close below the VWAP and as well as closing below this line. So, and now the price is below here. So the price can push all the way back down. Some news happened here, this reversal that it's just, got cleared, which I said before when the market in the pre-market that, sometime that could happen. We got a beautiful push down. Imagine we had our sixth contract. We had this level, we sold here. That we could have basically, had our, P&L in health and then just to figure out a way to solve this whole thingy. So, but that's not really my focus right now. My focus is not P&L, but rather solve that issue. So we're gonna talk about this once this whole thing ends here. We'll see how this one contract does for us. I can still get one out right now and just call it a day. Okay, here we go. So the 2 minute right now does it have the strength to go above this line? Above here. Can I place a put here? I could, but now I'm risking a potentially may even go up here. So I'd rather go for the highest strength, the higher level one, the higher odds, which is right here, than here. So I'm not gonna do that. But we'll see. We'll see if this is gonna go all the way back down. That's what we're gonna see here. Here we go. What is gonna happen? Is the price gonna reverse? And is the 2 minute gonna tell us when is reversing? Like these are the things I'm just watching the 2 minute today. Here we go. Okay, so this wick right here, this is the one that got us that L. And we're ultimately right in the right decision and it went up. But how do we solve this? What can the 2 minute tell us to know this? That'll be the biggest Chico. Once we solve that, bro, game over, man. HRT, it's now gonna be promoted basically. But of course, all these where I'm at right now led me to this issue right now. That's a great thing. You know what I'm saying? And now I must solve this one. And as I solve this one, as I continue, I'm gonna find another barrier for me to go outside of $100 a day. And I'm gonna figure out what that number. I'm gonna, oh, right now, well now we gotta push up. We gotta push up on the 2 minute here, showing nice green here, and also on the 10 minute here, you guys can see this level of huge pressure of buyers pushing it up. So I'm just gonna call it a day here if we go crack it here. Just gonna call it. And we're gonna just call with $100 loss. Okay, that's fine. All right, cool. $94. All right. Let us sit back, relax now for a little bit. Of course, I know that if my primary focus was to bring back the P&L's health, of course, I was on six contract. I would have sold a lot here, and I would have probably at least on that $80, made way less than probably would have broken even, to be honest, if my primary objective was the P&L's health. But that wasn't the case for me. Oh, look at that! I just got phased in it. It didn't really crack above it, so same issue again, right? Like same issue. I thought it's gonna move up, but it still didn't. I'm making the same mistake that I did with the 10 minute, and now I also did the same thing on the 2 minute. So there is a way out. So now that tells me don't look at the crack as a way to indicate it's gonna go above it or not. You know what I'm saying? But rather use the other information. You know what I'm saying? We had this. Look at this 2 minute here. One, two, three, like a whole two, 4, 6. I'm just showing it red, red, red. And now it wants to push up. What are the odds gonna push up? Ta-da! That's the. Imagine we had our sixth contract, by the way, and selling it up here. Ooh, juicy, juicy. But that's just something just for fun to say. But you just follow your rule. So anyway, market's telling us, hey, do a little tweaking on your strategy. You have a great strategy, but do a little tweaking. There's a weakness here. And that's what we're going to try to solve. And that's what I'm going to plan on solving here. All right. So I'm looking to a suggestion here because at this point, I don't plan on trading anymore until I solve that issue. Until I solve that, you know what I'm saying? That rock, that huge rock on the road blocking the path for our consistency, because our consistency is going to get broken if we don't solve this. So very, very interesting of this experience here. Very, very interesting. So very, very interesting. Okay. All right, here we go. So what indicated to us that this crack here is not a true crack? You know what I'm saying? A true crack is going to go all the way back down. The price is going to, a reversal. What indicated that? It's going to reverse right back up. That right there. So here we go. We had a red closing 2 minute. So 2, 4, 6, red. And now we close this right here. This 2 minute here closed below. The price opened up here and moved it right below here. And then it closed here. Right? And now we had a price that actually opened the 2 minute price, right? Opened right below the line and closed below the line. At that point, anyone would assume, yeah, we're going down. But yet, we still pushed up. Okay, so that didn't help. Okay, is there a reason why it happened to reverse here than here? So let's just extend this line out. So at this point, this is just like try to learn here because we have to figure this out. So I'm gonna go ahead and extend this line and make it a color here. Just what color? Let's go green. Okay, extend it out. Why was it right here when it cracked this line? Why did it come here and then moved up? How do we not recognize that? That's the thing. Oh, this is the 2 minute. I should probably. Okay, so I need to go to a higher time frame here. Score the hourly and just try to figure that out. Why? Why was it there that he decided to reverse? This is yesterday's price actions. Let me just clear it up a little bit. It's another opportunity for a put here as the price is reaching the VWAP, so you can do a put VWAP retest here. But I'm really not interested in trading. Because that's just focus on the money. Trading, you got to focus on what makes you the money. And we have to fix this issue. And look long term. So this congrats to those who placed the put here. Maybe perhaps had a stop loss just outside the VWAP. Congratulations. This is our strategy. We're not supported by the VWAP, of course. So there's already wicks happening on your side. Okay, here we go, here we go, here we go. Okay, so I guess we do see this here. Oops, where the heck did it go? Okay, no, I lost it. No, there's just got to be some ways around this that I don't have to look at all the way. I should just look at the 2 minute that's in front of me. That's the only way to solve this. It's not one from all the way back. It's a 2 minute that's in front of me, and information that tells me this gonna reverse back. The decision has not been made yet. Like, I need to figure that out. Figure that out. Figure that out. Wow, we had a huge push down from here. That one put that we had here. Oh my goodness, look at that. But anyway. Okay, okay. Okay, let's even go one more down. Like, let's try to figure this out. So obviously a 2 minute closing red here, right? One, two, three of them, and still closing red on the line. And on top of that, open below the line and closing red, and yet still reversed. Okay, so that doesn't help us out, shockingly. So let's even go in the 1 minute. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go see the workers. Like, let's I don't know. Let's go see where, the money is being made here. Let's go even more micro. Another word here. Let's go deep in the city. Let's apply this. Let's go to the 1 minute. Come on. Okay, here we go. We flew all the way back down to the 1 minute here. There's nothing lower than here. Okay. Okay, here we go. It cracked the line. It's still same thing. Same thing. Same thing. Okay. We had a 1 minute that closed red here, and then we could have placed our put, right? And had we done that, then we would have to gone against this push up here, but then they ultimately get pushed right back down. So we would have probably added more here, and then we come here and we still reverse. So we had a one full whole minute closed green. So then do we switch? At that point, do we switch, right? Of a whole minute closed green, do we switch? What if this whole 1 minute push it all the way up, right? Now, another thing I'm realizing is that this 1 minute closed green below the view up, still not an information to kind of repeat. Shout out to those who placed their puts here. Congratulations. Get yourself a brownie. I kind of wish even I did that too, but my focus is trying to figure this out because this is my strategy. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, this is my strategy, and now it's even like ×2 because I got the viewer supporting me. Damn. But I know that's not my focus right now. But anyway, all right, guys. HRT, this is what's happening right now. This is what's happening with HRT right now. I'm a consistent trader, but time and time seems like I'm facing this obstacle where I'm getting on the trade, but it's keep reversing pretty fast on me, and I have to switch, and then through that switches is creating this is disrupting the PNL. So this is a solution that must be solved for me to go forward with trading. And so I'm gonna go ahead and go to the drawing board. That's it. I'm gonna find a way. So this is the weekend. I'm gonna do a lot of chart analysis, looking at the chart and all that stuff to really figure it out. And then on Monday, I'm gonna provide two to three potential patterns that I've seen to indicate that either A, the thing is gonna continue, or B, it might reverse. And then from there on, we're gonna apply it. And so at that point, we're gonna be in the trial area. So that means we're not gonna be trading with our 3 contracts. No way, no way. And so we're gonna maybe just do one contract, and we're only gonna trade SPY. That's it. So this coming weekend, we're going to jail, lockdown. We're going on lockdown mode and figure out how we can solve that. That's it. So that is our plan. That is my plan. Here we go. So if you guys can give me any suggestions, I'm open to it right now. Give me some ideas so I can solve this little challenge. And again, shout out to those who placed their puts here. Congratulations. Congratulations, your money's printing. You know, wish I got in as I focus on this so I can at least, get some level of health with my P&L. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and read the chats right now. Give me some ideas, and so I can look into you guys' ideas as I do this research. All right? All right, cool. I appreciate you guys for joining the channel. Of course, we're not gonna end the channel without our without putting our P&L in place for a week. So here we go. I know this hurts. It really does hurt, but I have to understand that trading is long term. So I'm not gonna allow this right now to kind of think, but keep this, gotta keep in mind trading is long term. So don't have a short term focus. I know having a short term focus, it's like, it's depressing, bro. It's depressing. You know what I'm saying? The fact that we had this kind of thing happened, it's depressing, all right. But we're here to learn. All right, here we go here. So this is where we are right now. Of course, our P&L took a major hit, major hit, major hit, But I think I could have still done better, at least ensuring some level of health to the P&L. But my goal was just that, like try to figure this out. All right, here we go. 94 bucks. 94 bucks. Okay, 95 bucks. All right, here we go. So we ended the day with a 95 bucks negative, bro. Should put that negative on. So then we officially ended the week. We ended the week with a $76 loss. Damn, that feels a little better. But it still feels sucks. Like, it's not good. It is not good, all right? It is not good. And the thing we went through. So, all right, what's today's date? 5/3/2024. Ooh. Okay, so we ended the week with a negative $76. Oh my goodness, right? Monday, green. Tuesday, green, right? We're getting to our $100 a day. Of course, we're not, this is, we could have still continued trading here, but we recognize for the reason we needed to stop at 54. It's still a green, so we gotta respect that. So Monday, green 54. Tuesday, green 62. And then Wednesday, we had that news that tripped us, giving us like $275 loss. But right after the trade, right after I was done streaming, I decided to place a call on QQQ because I saw it hit it's coming to a major level, and I recouped some money. So now I closed it at 184. So now I went ahead and updated the P&L. Thursday, yesterday, beautiful trading day as usual. We always hit our numbers, and then today, man. On now for the whole week ending in $76 L. But look what we have learned. What did we learn? Oh, by the way, can you guys even see this? I know that I'm making it. There we go. But what did we learn? That's more valuable. What did I learn is more valuable, right? Because remember, trading is long term. Because all these things teach me something in the future is gonna improve, and your boy is gonna be going to that, $500 a day. I can still do it, by the way. I have enough resources to add more into my trades, but that's dumb. Don't do that. And I'm holding that back until I get better, because now I gotta solve this. I gotta solve this issue. I can still continue doing my $100 a day, but if I don't solve this little issue where the price may reverse right back, I'm still gonna be in this kind of zone here, making here and there, making this, and I'm not able to escape outside of that. Too much. Come on, iChatty, cool off here. Calm down. All right, but yeah. So we close the week with a negative 76 bucks. We're gonna call it. We are going to call it. And so now we know what we gotta solve. All right. So hope you guys have found this very valuable, by the way. This is trading right here. So this is trading. And if you have made it all the way here and you're not subscribed yet, please do, because you obviously find this very valuable. And I hope it continues to be valuable. So here we go. Go ahead and place a like on the video. Appreciate you for doing that. With that all said, HRT out. Lockdown mode this coming week. Let's go end this weekend. Looking forward to it. Looking forward to us solving this little challenge. That's it. Once we solve that, We're going all the way up to that 200, 300, 500,000 dollars a day. But we gotta solve this. Until then. All right, HRT out.